games without scoring a single goal. I think Pochettino, get out! Get out, Pochettino! Just get lost! Just get lost! Your process is not working. Your tactics is not working. Your substitutions is not working. Your game plan is not working. That's it. Just get lost. Just get lost. Stop giving excuses, excuses after excuses after excuses after excuses. That's it we are hearing. No game plan, no team management, nothing. Nothing. Today the same mistake, whatever he has repeated from the Bournemouth match, same mistake he has repeated in the Aston Villa match. Same. Identical mistake he has repeated. Playing Colwill at the left back. When three of our left backs, Cucurella, Chilwell, and one more, who is that, Marcin, are sitting on the bench. Three proper left back is sitting on the bench. He played Colwill as a left back. Who's a centre back? He played as a left back. So same old rubbish, same old nonsense is going on and on and on and on. There is no game plan. His substitutions are not working. His tactics is outdated. It's not working at all. What he's trying to do, experimenting and all rubbish, is trying to experiment. Simple basics of football, it's not working for him. It's not getting inside his head. Playing players at the proper position, it's not working for him. So just get lost, get out, that's it. And he's talking about that this is a different Chelsea, it seems. This is a different Chelsea. And he's comparing himself with Thomas Tuchel, it seems. Thomas Tuchel, he's comparing. He's saying that when Thomas Tuchel came inside Chelsea, Chelsea was a well-drilled machine, it seems. Your bullshit and my balls, they were a well-drilled machine. They were ninth. They were ninth when Thomas Tuchel has come in. And he's saying that this Chelsea is not a well-drilled machine, it seems. I have to make sure that this team becomes a well-drilled machine. Is that a drilled machine what he is making? He's basically digging a bulldozer grave he's digging basically at the Stamford Bridge so that we get relegated inside that grave. So that the team goes inside the grave, so that Todd Boehly goes inside the grave, so that the Chelsea football side goes inside the grave. That's what bulldozer he's digging. So get lost and get out. We will not allow it to happen. 6 games, we are 14th. We are 14th and don't talk about injuries and everything. Our centre back is there. Disaster. He's also one signing of the he's one signing this season. He played. Then Palmer is ready. You didn't start him. Then who is that? Caicedo has played, 115 million player. So most of the players are available only. Some players are injured, okay, but injuries cannot make sure. Even Tuchel has faced so many injuries and so many restrictions. So much was going on that time. Still he has managed to win us the Champions League. So don't compare yourself with Thomas Tuchel. You're not even a pubic hair in front of Thomas Tuchel. You're just an idiot. That's it. Idiot. Same mistake you're repeating whatever you're doing against Bournemouth. Same Levi Colwill. Why you're playing as a left back? Still now I didn't understand. Still now I don't understand and I will never understand also. He's our centre back. And why Chilwell is staying on the bench. And what substitutions he's making, you know. What substitutions he's making? Bullshit, rubbish, garbage substitutions he has made. He has took out Nicholas Jackson out and he has not replaced a striker. He has bought in Palmer instead of Nicholas Jackson and he has bought in Chilwell instead of Mudryk, who looked like a threatening player. He took them out. And just before that Watkins goal, Chilwell has given a cross. There was no striker to receive. There was no striker to receive the ball or attack the ball, and that cross went like a waste garbage it has went. So his substitutions also didn't work. His substitutions were also ineffective. Today if that Sanchez was not there today, we would have lost 4-0. Aston Villa humiliated us, man. Aston Villa humiliated us and we have gone 3 games without scoring a goal. So it's a humiliation. Big humiliation. Stop giving excuses and get lost. Pack your bags and get lost. That's it. Upcoming matches, Fulham matches there and Burnley matches there. Then after that see the fixtures. Arsenal, Brentford, Spurs, City, Newcastle, Brighton, United. So get this guy out, kick this guy out of the, sack him immediately and get a new manager so that he can manage at least against Burnley and Fulham. We can score some goals and get some points and then we can tackle this upcoming fixtures. Because in that fixtures, if you are losing points, it's confirmed relegation. Means it's not confirmed sacking, it's confirmed relegation. So sack this manager immediately. Todd Boehly, do the needing, sack Pochettino immediately. Get him out. Get him out. 3 games without a single goal. We didn't even look like scoring. In the first half, Mudryk has given the ball. Mudryk has given the ball to Jackson. That fellow is giving goalkeeping practice to Martinez. Then another cutback by this guy. Who is that? Gusto. Another cutback. bloody that Enzo, what is shooting, where is shooting, where is the goal and where is the bloody post? God only knows. He doesn't know where is the goal, where is the post and whom to attack or not. Somewhere and only he is shooting. That's it. That's the only chance. And Sterling, he got isolated, humiliated. He got isolated. He just had to cut in and cut back. That's all he's doing. He's not allowed to shoot because the defenders of Aston Villa, Pau Torres and all those people, who is that left? Who is the left back? Digne and Pau Torres has pocketed him. They know that Sterling is only their threat. There is only one pattern in our team. There is only one pattern. Just give the ball over the top to Sterling and allow Sterling to do the magic. Other than that, there is no pattern of play in Chelsea. That's it. And on top of that, he doesn't play a left back. He plays a defensive mindset left back. He plays a centre back as a left back. So from left hand side also nothing, no match, nothing, no attacking threat or anything. Mudryk has to do everything. So it's easy to defend. Even Aston Villa was carrying a high line. Still we were not able to penetrate. Forget about penetrating Aston Villa. We couldn't even penetrate relegated Bournemouth. What you are going to penetrate Aston Villa? So get this manager out. Get him out. In the second half also no changes, nothing. Same old crap, same old rubbish. That's it. And first half, that volley, one clearance we can't do properly. We can't even clear the ball confidently. That Digne has taken a shot, that Sanchez has given a wonder save, and another volley, left-hand volley, another player has given. There also Sanchez had to save. So our goalkeeper was our best player. So when our goalkeeper is our best player, that means the manager is at complete fault. Our players, outfield players are completely failing. It's a humiliation. That too at the home, we cannot even score a single goal. And we are getting dominated by Aston Villa. So get lost, Pochettino. Your process is not working. Get lost. And Chelsea was never about a process. It was all about winning. Winning. That's it. If you cannot win, get lost. That's it. Get lost. The manager has given this much of excuses at Chelsea. Even Conte could have given excuses that Chelsea finished 10th. I cannot win the league. I will try to make this team work. He could have given an excuse, but he won the title. That is an elite level manager. Then Tuchel came in. That time also team was struggling. He won the Champions League. He said that Chelsea has to be there right up there. That was the elite mindset. In this, under Todd Bowley's ownership and this thing, it's all about process. It seems it's all about process. All the signings have been a failure. All the signings have been a complete disaster. Cole Palmer, what is he doing? One true ball he has given to Gallagher, and Gallagher is a captain. Wow, what a decision. Gallagher, captain, who can't even score a single goal, who gets an easy chance at the box, he cannot even finish. He's our captain. When Enzo is there, he's our captain. Seriously, these all decisions, Pochettino's decisions, all the decisions has been a complete disaster, has been a complete failure. Right from selecting the captain, to selecting the lineup, to selecting the substitutions, to selecting the tactics, formations, everything has been a disaster. Everything disaster. And on top of that today, goal also you see how we conceded. That Aston Villa has cleared the line. Thiago Silva should receive the ball. He fumbled. Then Diaby, their signing. Okay, Diaby got the ball and he ran past us. Thiago Silva should commit a foul, right? He should commit a foul when he's running past us. He should commit a foul. He's our most experienced defender. Instead of committing a foul, since Gusto has got sent off because of a rash challenge, that was not a red card. He got the ball first, still referee has given a red card because he has got 15% of the ball it seems, and that tackle was a high boot and it was dangerous. It was termed as dangerous, so that's why Thiago Silva didn't want to get another red card it seems. So that's why he didn't commit that one. He didn't commit the foul. He gave a pass to Oli Watkins. Oli Watkins took a shot. Colwill has saved it, then again it rebounded to him and then again he shot it. So Oli Watkins, this is his first goal this season. He was 5 games without a goal. He plays against Chelsea at Stamford Bridge, at Stamford Bridge, and he scores a goal. Now Stamford Bridge has not become a fortress, it has become a graveyard and it has become a practice ground for the opposition. That come take 3 points and go back, that's it. So Pochettino has made this Chelsea team, that Stamford Bridge, he has made it into a playing ground for the opposition to come to Stamford Bridge and take 3 points and tata bye bye, that's it. So this is our manager's process, this is our manager's tactics, and this is our manager's empowerment of the young players, isn't it? Turn Stamford Bridge into a laughing stock and turn the football club into a laughing stock. It's a disaster, just get lost. Your process is not working, and Chelsea was never about a process. It was about winning, that's it. We cannot even score a goal under you. All the striker, Jackson also Today one header also he missed, one clear easy sitter header he has missed. Then most of the times he's completely offside. Aston Villa was holding a high line, still you cannot score. So I don't think only one game plan is there. That pass the ball to Gusto will cut back, give it to Sterling, and then after that, that's it. That only one pattern. Pass to Gusto will cut back, or pass to Sterling on the right hand side. Raheem Sterling will cut inside or cut back. That's it. After cutting back, nobody will be there to receive the ball. Aston Villa receives the ball easily and clears it. That's it. That's our attacking threat. So this is our attacking threat. This is our attacking pattern. And this is the process what he's talking about. We don't want such process. We don't want such formations. We don't want such patterns. We don't want your process. Just take your process and your garbage football and your garbage management out of this club. Just get out of this club. Take it out of this club. Pochettino out. Get a new manager in. Upcoming matches there, Fulham and Burnley, so that we win those games and get into those rough fixtures so that it happens. With this manager, I don't see any match, we can win any match. We'll get relegated at this rate. We'll get relegated, mate, at this rate. This time Thomas Tuchel will not be there to get us 10 points and save us. It is going to be a very dangerous, I'm telling you. Dangerous situation. 3 games without scoring a single goal. 3 games. We didn't even look like scoring. And getting humiliated by Aston Villa at Stamford Bridge and getting humiliated by Nottingham Forest at Stamford Bridge. We have some 20 minutes good moments at the game, but we don't have that killer instinct to finish off the game or score the goal and finish off the match. We don't have that killer instinct also. He didn't develop the killer instinct also. That was missing from last season. So no improvement from last season, same old last season. Last season only Thomas Tuchel was there for some 5 games. There he got us 10 points and saved us. This time there is no Thomas Tuchel. So this time we might be in relegation battle. So get this manager and his process out of the club. Just get him out and replace him with a proper elite-minded manager. Replace him immediately. And replace him with a manager who wants to win. Who wants to win trophies, not for the process. Chelsea was never a process. It was all about winning and being right up there. Not fighting relegation and telling it's a process and giving excuses after excuses after excuses after excuses and comparing yourself with other managers. Comparing yourself and saying that, oh, that time it was lovey-dovey and now it's rough, like a cactus it seems. So stop the excuses and get lost. That's it. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. What to say? He didn't play a left back. He played a centre back as a left back. Mudryk got isolated. He tried to give a ball from the midfield area. That ball also was received by Jackson, and that also Jackson couldn't finish. So we don't have killer instinct. There's no tactics. There's no proper game plan. Substitutions is a flop. Game management is also a flop. When to bring in Broha, God only knows which player to replace with whom, he doesn't know. And after being 1-0 up, Aston Villa manager Unai Emery, he was charging up the bench and 3 of the players were warming up at the touchline. He was showing more urgency and telling them to get ready fast. He was showing more urgency and our manager was simply silently sitting. Oh, it'll happen means it'll happen, or else anyway I'll get my salary. Like that mindset he is having. Like a pension job mindset he is having. So get him out. Unai Emery was completely running the touchline and he was saying that, oh, you have to get in, man. You have to get in. And it's like Aston Villa was going for the 3 points. If they would have not got the 3 points, then it would have been a loss for Aston Villa. Mind you, Aston Villa played a Conference League match in midweek. We are not even in European football. We are not playing a European football, nothing we are playing. Still, means Aston Villa had less time to prepare for this game. We had more time to prepare for this game and still we got humiliated by Aston Villa. Pochettino has made Chelsea into a complete dustbin, garbage team. From last season, there was no improvement, nothing. And he has made this Stamford Bridge and Chelsea Football Club into a graveyard. And if you don't sack him, if you keep him at the job, this Stamford Bridge will become a bulldozing graveyard. That's it. And we cannot even come up, I'm telling you. We cannot even come up, nothing will happen. I'm telling you, we'll go so deep down that it will be impossible for the next manager to come up again. I'm telling you. So, sack the manager immediately. That's it.